What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. So my Pendleton IDs finally came in. I ordered these on November 4th and they came in on the 17th. So just about 2 weeks to get a custom pair of kicks. I'm really impressed how quickly I was able to get these. When I first ordered them, the estimated time was 30 to 45 days, but I like the materials and the colors so much that I just went for it. And finally getting them in hand, they did not disappoint. The quality of the materials are way better than past IDs I've had. The build quality is great. No flaws in the stitching that I've been able to see. There is some glue stains right around the midsole upper area, but that's to be expected. You know, they're churning these out all day in the factory. You know, God bless those workers. That's not something I'm going to complain about. First impressions, the shape is what caught my eye the most. I'm really glad that the toe box on this isn't all wonky. I think it was like 2016 or 17 they remastered the Air Max 1 and the toe box shape was fixed. Models prior to that just did not look good, in my personal opinion, and I guess Nike got enough feedback to fix it. So let's take a detailed look at the shoe itself. The upper is consistent mainly of light British tan nubuck. The underlay is Ridge Rock Pendleton. The eyelet is a Baroque brown. The swoosh, the laces, the patch on the tongue are all Pueblo brown. Here's a detailed close-up look at that Pendleton material. Ridge Rock, but there's a couple different colors mixed in there into the knit. The tab on the back is actually 3M, which was a nice surprise. I only realized after taking pictures, Nike Air logo on the back is in Baroque brown, and the stitching is on point. Really like how that Baroque brown looks on the top of that light British tan. Midsole is desert sand. Not much of a difference, a little bit creamier looking, like a dark cream or bone. The airbag is a muted bronze. So something else that kind of stood out to me was how much padding there is in this shoe. This is a shoe that I guess Nike is expecting you to wear around the wintertime, or fall wintertime, and they put enough padding in there to make this a really comfortable, warm pair of shoes. The tongue, as well as the ankle collar, is really well padded. Insole is also ortholite, so you get some step-in comfort. Nike ID in white. Taking a look here at the patch, Nike Air Max in white. And the piping around the tongue in Ridge Rock is also a nice touch. Finally, the outsole is done up in all black. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video to support what I'm doing. Subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.